Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my time capsule. And on today's content video, ano yang nanya sih sebenarnya sih? Uh, Pak, when you do your presentation and it doesn't go well, what do you do? How do you overcome that? That's a very, very relevant and good question, basically, and I'll discuss that with you. And maybe for guys who have actually seen what I'm actually going to talk about, this is for the new guys, okay, for the new beautiful people, yang mau tahu, because on this one also I'm going to make it short and focused on that particular question. Bagaimana presentasi if it doesn't go well? What do you do? Okay, so this is what I usually do. Let's say we present, semangat dong. Wah, we want to do this, do that, do this. I mean, kita semangat luar biasa. And we can actually see sebenarnya from the client. I mean, if the client is just looking bored, okay, or even crazier still, nowadays mereka ada itu ya, apa tuh, they're busy on their handphones. Tapi zaman dulu sih there was no handphones, okay? No handphones like that. So they were actually looking at us, right? And we can actually see from their expressions. Palingan mereka bisik-bisik ini, bisik ini. I said, oh, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. But, and in the end, ada juga mereka langsung bilangin bahwa, hey, sorry, but I don't think this actually goes with our objectives gitu. The first thing you do is, okay, stay calm, cool, and collected. You smile. Terus terang, dulu awal-awalnya on those presentations, when I did my first presentations, sebelum presentasi aja, my mouth would get dry. Senawan takut, and I had butterflies in my stomach. Okay, minum, walaupun nggak haus, minum, just to keep calm and also to keep my mouth wet gitu. And apalagi mereka ngomong ini nggak cocok nih, I don't like this gitu loh. Deng, blank, just aduh, what else do I say, palingan minum lagi aja udah. That's what I did, and I think that that's very normal. But lama-lama, once you know exactly, it says I don't like it, fine, you stay cool, calm, and collected. All right, so you ask, all right, you don't like it, but don't ask what don't you like. Jangan, don't ask that, because I mean, if you ask that, okay, nanti jawabannya tuh macem-macem, and it's got to be sort of like out of the brief itself gitu loh. So what I do is, if no apa the client doesn't like it, this is what I do. Okay, fine, Pak, if you don't like it, give me 5 more days, we'll come back again. Don't ask anything. Nah, begitu bosnya udah pergi, biasanya kan ada anak-anak buahnya segala macam. Don't discuss with these guys, okay, with other professionals. Don't. Because nanti mereka akan kasih masukan-masukan juga yang menurut mereka benar. Tetapi it's not according to, ya nggak serak aja sih. So, begitu udah pick up your stuff and just get out of the meeting room. Because you said, okay, give me time, give me 5 days time, I'll come back. Ada contoh aja satu. It wasn't about the board. The board was already approved, right? It was more like a jingle. Guys yang udah pernah nonton, sorry, but I'm gonna ulang lagi because this is a good example for the new beautiful people. Okay, we came back to them. We had to do a jingle for a particular, udah konsep udah setuju for one particular region daerah. And we did our homework, okay? In this daerah, it was musiknya ini, alamat-alamatnya, the alat-alatnya ini, apa-apanya gini. So we presented to the nomor uno, dikasih present, and he said, pasang lagi dong, pasang lagi. Do it again. Then he started asking each individual of the brands, his to brand managers, and also other bagian distribusi. And most of them said, okay, Pak, this is nice, ko. It suits the location yang kita mau, the target audience-nya apa, and the region itself-nya apa, lagunya udah benar, or even the instruments pilihannya benar, the beat itself udah cocok. Coba let me hear it again, tangguhin, dipasangin lagi. Let me hear it again, dengerin lagi. And he said, yeah, I mean, hasilnya tadi is according to the brief. Everything boleh cocok, but I don't like it. Udah, okay, fine. Give me 5 days and I'll come back again. Nah, I don't want to ask him, what don't you like? It's going to waste It's gonna waste his time. He doesn't have that. And it is our job to interpret it why he does not like it. We had kita bikin begini, he doesn't like it, so we got to do something besides this. Something that he will like. Langsung. Okay, so in 5 days time, okay, kita balik lagi dong sama dia. Okay, this is the new one. This is the new, the new revised jingle. We played it 10. And kebetulan aja, I mean, at that time, right, we said, this is based on gaya-gaya si Bryan Adams na cuma dibikin local. Oh, good, I like Bryan Adams. Begitu dipasangin, langsung approve tuh. Oh, this is nice. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Then everybody yang lain-lain, gimana? Okay, bagus. Then he left the room. Bebena langsung, bebena. Jangan ngobrol-ngobrol lagi sama the others because the numero uno already said, good, go for it. Because the minute we, ada kasih waktu sedikit, mereka akan bilang, oh bagusan yang dulu ya, bisa nggak dicampur sama ini, bisa nggak, you got all the possibilities from A to Z. Nah, nggak usah deh, maaf aja. Once that is okay, get out, fix everything, and get out of the meeting room, and do it. So, itulah untuk presentation. Banyak sih. Not all presentations go well. Ya, namanya juga client ya. And it comes on terus terang buat saya sih subjective, you know, very subjective. Tapi that's the I think that's a challenge. That's our challenge in the creative. And don't ask them what don't you like, what about this, what about that. Jangan, forget about that. You don't like it, fine. Give me 5 days, we'll come back to you again. Udah, kita cabut aja dari situ. We come back and do something better than what we presented. Moga-moga beres. But like I said, presentations can go very well. Sasi paling senang si everybody's creative dream is we do a presentation, semangat, everything, and langsung, that's nice, we like that. Aduh, itu kayak leganya luar biasa, as if we're flying, you know. Tapi ada juga says, we did everything, semangat. No, I don't like it. Yeah. Keep cool, calm, and collected. But no matter what, good or bad, the presentation, just remember, beautiful people, you stay beautiful. And peace